It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Honk the car. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. Honk and the farm animals are on their way to the harbor. Toot the boat and Wally the whale are going to have a water race. Morning, Croak. Are you coming to watch the race? Everybody is invited, says Honk.
Oh yes, I love a good race,
says Croak the frog. There's Toot the boat. He is wearing a red ribbon. There's Wally the whale. He has a green ribbon. Who is going to win the race, red or green? Toot is going to win. Toot is much, much faster than Wally the whale, says Swoosh Swoosh. Who? Toot? That old boat? Never. Wally the whale can swim much faster, argues Honk. Wally the whale and Toot are ready to start the race. Good luck, Wally. Good luck, Toot. Honk will see who wins the race. Swoosh Swoosh is ready to start the race.
Good luck, Wally,
whispers Toot.
May the best boat win.
Good luck, Toot,
whispers Wally the whale.
May the best whale win.
Swoosh Swoosh starts the race. On your marks, get set. And away they go. Honk is cheering for Wally. Faster, Toot! Shouts Swoosh Swoosh. Wally the whale can swim much faster under the water. Oh dear, where is Toot going? The finish line is the other way. Toot is looking for his friend, Wally Whale.
Wally! Wally!
Calls a worried Toot. Wally is going to win the race. Oh no, he isn't. What's happening? Wally has stopped. Oh dear, now Wally is swimming away from the finish line.
There you are, Wally,
calls Toot.
Where have you been? I was worried you got lost.
I was under the water. I was worried you couldn't steer properly. You suddenly stopped and went the wrong way,
says Wally. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh realized that this was a very special race.
So, who won the race?
asked Croak the frog. Nobody won the race, Croak, explains Honk. But it was the best race we've ever had in Springland. Wally and Toot didn't care about winning the race, says Swoosh Swoosh. Sometimes helping your friend is more important than winning, explains Honk. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoosh Swoosh. See you next time.